Hey guys, Shahid here, and today I'm going to show you how to install Android Jelly Bean 4.2.2 on Samsung Galaxy Geo, which is running on Gingerbread 2.3.6. So here's a phone running on Gingerbread. Let's start. First of all, what you have to do, just go and download 4 files whose links are given below. Root file, ClockWorkMod Recovery, and CM 10.1, which is Cyanogen mode, Jelly Bean 2.2 for Galaxy Geo, and G apps, Google apps. So here are those files: ClockWorkMod Recovery, CM 10.1, G apps, and root Galaxy Geo. After download these 4 files, copy and paste into the SD card, in your SD card, and then come back to this video. So to do this, first of all, you have to boot into recovery. To do this, tap volume button, home button and power button simultaneously. It'll take time, and yeah, we are in a recovery, basic recovery of Galaxy Geo, but as we cannot actually install any ROM with this recovery, we have to flash ClockWorkMod Recovery, which we have downloaded. So before ClockWorkMod Recovery, we have to actually root our phone. So as we have downloaded root file also, as you can see, touch is not working, but we will navigate with this volume rocker and to tap with this home key. So let's start. First of all, go here, apply update from SD card, and then you will see that root Galaxy Geo. Root Galaxy Geo, it's rooted, install up from SD card completed. Then just again apply update from SD card, and then select ClockWorkMod Recovery, by which we will install custom ROM. So here we are. It's ClockWorkMod Recovery is installed. Then reboot system now. And then go back into the recovery. Again, by tapping home key and power key at the same time, we'll go into recovery, which is ClockWorkMod Recovery. Here it is. So first of all, what you have to do, just wipe data factory, select yes, it's done, and then wipe cache partition, select yes, then advanced, wipe Devlin cache, select yes, and then it's done. Go back and then go to install zip from SD card. Install zip from SD card, and then choose zip from SD card, and then you will see here CM 10.1 Geo Maclaw. So select it, it's a Jelly Bean, select yes, and just you'll see it'll take time. So Android Jelly Bean is installing on your phone. One thing you should keep in mind, that do it on your own risk. Actually installing custom ROM can harm your device, but I don't know, whenever I just install my device never break, but maybe it's harmful, but you should be risky at this time. Whenever I install, I never find any problem with it, or I hope so you'll not find any problem with it, because this is a safe ROM for Galaxy Geo. So install from SD card complete. So now choose a zip from SD card again, because you have to install G apps, Google apps. So here are G apps. I don't know why it's not focusing, sorry for that, but G apps, and select yes. G apps, Google apps are installing, and it's completed. So now reboot system now. As you can see, ClockWorkMod Cyanogen mode is here, and then Jelly Bean is installed successfully. Don't do anything. It'll take time, and will come up. You'll have to wait for up to 5 minutes. Recently I was on a Android ice cream sandwich, and I'm installing it first time in Jelly Bean on my Galaxy Geo. It's working, it'll take time, no need to worry. And one thing I tell you, that if you have any question that if we are installing Jelly Bean on this device, then it'll work or not. This Cyanogen mode is a perfect ROM for Galaxy Geo. I have installed recently Cyanogen mode 10, Cyanogen mode 9 ice cream sandwich. It was working very nicely, no error, and everything was working so nice. I hope the same for this, and I hope everything will be working. So here we are, Android Jelly Bean on Samsung Galaxy Geo. So let's start with it. Other network, my Wi-Fi is on. Let me put the passwords. You can see Wi-Fi is working fine, and it's connecting. Still connecting. What's up? Don't know what's the problem. Yeah, it's done. I don't know, maybe I've installed it for first time, that's why it was taking too much time. So let's start. Finish setup is finished, and we are on Jelly Bean. Oh my goodness. As you can see, guys, it works very fine. Jelly Bean 4.2.2. So first of all, go into settings to confirm that we are on Jelly Bean. Part font and Android 4.2.2 is here. Jelly Bean. So here it is. Works very fine. Let's check out the camera. It's working or not. Yeah, it's working fine. Pretty nice. Setting out there. And I told you this ROM is perfect ROM for Galaxy Geo, and it's working fine, no error, everything working so well. Check out the browser. Everything working. So it was my first video. We installed a Jelly Bean 4.2.2 on Samsung Galaxy Geo. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like us, and thanks.